Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind 007. On today's episode, we have this right here. This is the thermostatic cup mat warm air blower. So basically, it's a heater, and it also keeps the cup, whatever you have in there, warm or hot. I'm not sure. So let's look at this. It says thermostatic cup mat. So it's circulating warm air as a digital display screen and 3 level adjustments. So I haven't tested this yet, but it's very unusual, so that's a good thing. And it does come in 2 colors. I believe I got this one, I'm not sure. I can't remember where I got it from. I think I got it from Walmart. I'm gonna put the store on the screen. That's weird. It smells weird too. So it does have some instructions. I'm going to read this off camera, and then I'm going to tell you what I read. And here we have it. So we have 2 buttons right here. Okay, so let's see how the controls work. So I read the instructions, and it says that this right here, this top one controls the air that comes out of here, and the bottom one controls the plate. And of course you can use them both at the same time. So this controls the air, and remember, there's no thermostat for the air, it just blows indefinitely. And the bottom one does have a thermostat, and that's for the plate right here, and it's hot. You get 55 Celsius, 55 degrees Celsius, 65 degrees Celsius, or 75 degrees Celsius. So I know if you're used to the Fahrenheit, you might think that's low, but that's not low. That's actually fairly warm. So it's up to you what you want. And again, you can use the plate or the blower, like the heater right here, or both at the same time. So let's do both at the same time. So right now we have the heater blowing and the temperature set at 75. So let's bring that down to 55. And it's up to you, but you only got 3 temperatures for the plate. And remember, this does not have a thermostat. This just blows hot air indefinitely. So here's our tea. And let's wait. So it's definitely blowing hot air. You can feel it. Not a whole lot, but you can feel it. And the plate is warm. So that's a good thing. I do have a word of caution with this. Every time I kind of pick it up and put it back, I do drip a little bit of liquid. So it does make me nervous to be dripping liquid on a heater. I don't know if liquid could get through there, like the connection here between the heater element and the rest of the heater. But that does make me a bit nervous. So keep that in mind, that this is not for children or around children and pets, because you can just tip it over and you're going to have all that liquid on a heater, which is not a good thing. Okay, so it's time for the final thoughts. So overall, I'm very happy with this. It's very interesting. I think this is more like a novelty item than a serious product. But I guess it's more useful for the cup function than the heater. It does blow warm air, and it does help. You do feel it. It's not going to heat up your entire house or your entire bedroom. It's just for your vicinity, the area right here. So you could take this to an office if you want. And I think it would be great for the office or just for your area. I'm going to put this right next to my nightstand. I have a little table next to my bed. So that's where this is going to go. And I'm mostly going to be using it for the heating function to keep my tea warm. Not so much for the heater, for that right there, because it's kind of noisy. So I'm going to take a star off for being so noisy. I don't think there's anything they could have done to fix that. You know, fans make noise, nothing they can do about it. But I guess they should have made this a little bit bigger, so there would have been less air going through a small hole, because that's what creates all the sound when you have a lot of air going through a small hole. So that's the problem right there. But overall, I am liking this, and I'm going to give it a 4 stars out of 5. Remember, I'm taking a star off for the noise. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.